Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama. Mr. Sober Pay to Play. Excuse me for my disgusting burp. Llama, how you feeling, Poppy?
Good. I like the shorts. I was in the shorts, pulled out of the shorts, and shorts are shorting. But I want to see a potential reversal. Maybe NQ make newer lows. ES stay where it's at.
It does look like it is dumping.
I was in already. Yeah, it's aggressive.
It's dumping back into what is
Good,
yesterday's
number
orb,
one.
which is interesting to dump this heavy into yesterday's orb.
Mincy already up 502. Snapped in the pre-market past 2 more 150K evals. Good shit, my boy. Good shit, my boy. Birdman, yeah, I'm number one. Look at that bang. Remember we talked about 630 as an area of interest. Look at ES hanging out. This could be a potential reversal coming in soon.
My chart shrinking every time I change back and forth. What the fuck?
Auto fit. Could be your auto fit.
There it goes. One.
I love ES staying where it needs to be. NQ's making a newer low. That's what we were talking about. Whoa. I want to see NQ squeeze one more time. NQ's got to squeeze a newer low one more time, and then we're looking for longs. There's that squeeze for the newer low. I want to see if we can flip after this. One more squeeze, take me down to like 6.
Take me down. I might test SPX long. I mean, SPX, if that thing rips, NQ comes back up to 50. Right. I mean, I might go for a potential NQ pop, just a small one. You don't even got to go crazy, but if SPX keeps pushing up to that, I want to see it break into yesterday's close. If we break above yesterday's close, I'm definitely going to go long. That's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. There's a lot of sellers.
I want to see NQ do one more squeeze, bro.
There we go.
Squeeze back down, give us good entry, and then we go.
Right. Look at SPX. Fuck. Carrying right now. Heavy.
Look what ES is bouncing off of. Convict music.
There it goes.
Shooting. With that one last squeeze and pop. If it breaks over 70, it's gonna go here.
There's my bell.
This might be that little squeeze back down. It hasn't broken over. If it breaks over 70, I'll take it. So then we want to see downside pressure first.
Yeah, you want to see a little pullback here. That's exactly what you want to see. I ran that up. I ran that up on the cash accounts right there. A quick 2 bands, and I'm gonna log off the cash accounts. I'm logging off with my 2 bands. I even want to see
a newer low here.
And I'm logging.
ES stay intact. ES stay intact, and Q make newer lows. What I want to see.
I want to see that pop up into yesterday's close. Was really big right there. It tapped perfectly and rejected into newer lows.
And Q newer low there, but I want to see it push lower. I want to take it where it's at now. I want it to go lower.
I might go long again if this holds and we treasy on SPX. If SPX breaks back up in the 95, I'm going long, Llama.
All right, my boy. Do that, John.
If SPX treasy's in the 95, I gotta go long, Llama.
I think that's a good move.
There we go. Little pop. There it goes. Hold on. Here we go. Here's that 95.
Birdman, yeah, I'm number one.
Birdman, yeah, I'm number one.
Let's see.
By the sea, you and Llama too. Okay, SPX rejected there. Too much weakness.
There is a new plan that just hit the market that you have to know about. Funded Next Futures. Their rapid challenge is going to change the industry. Why are they calling it the rapid challenge? Because you could buy an eval and 4 days later, you can get your payout within 4 days. Industry leading speed. Make sure you guys check out Funded Next Futures today. The rapid challenge is changing the game. Make sure you use code BDM.
Let's see newer low. I want to see the 620-ish, 630, like late 20s.
Oh, yeah, rejection.
20s is what I want to see, and then we can really take the long up for 100 points.
Take the what for 100 points? The Schlizzy?
Oh, the long. There's the 30s. There's right nice into the 20s now.
Nice.
I want to see if this reacts. Because if not, it can still go to 580. We need to see good reaction.
580, you said? Wow.
Potential for 580. I prefer it not to and save that for later and short later in the day.
Right.
But I do want to see like some type of up move after this because ES is staying intact, which is what we wanted to see. This low is good here. ES staying in structure, and then if we can start to curl back up, longs are going to get aggressive here. Good reaction. Hold on.
Right here might be a good entry. I'm going to wait patiently though because Future Strat 2 is still totally intact. Really no juice. Just tests, but no juice. Just testing it. We need some juice, Lama.
My son on the throne. There
we go.
Late 20s giving a pop.
Yep, there we go.
20-point popper.
Want to see SPX keep going before I get bullied. If it breaks 93, I'm going to test another long scalp. See what it do, what it is, baby. Power wall on the champ.
It's rejecting kind of mean here.
Yep.
Love to see like a very aggressive candle. That's what I'd like to see. Yep, pendings in.
There it goes.
Pending orders in. Let's see if they trigger me or not. Yes, already took newer highs.
Yeah, not new SPX. Hold on. SPX got to hit that 93. Hit that 93. Is what I want to see. Hit the 93. Nice job, Logan, there. Big shit on the game. The nice Logan gains right there. NQ kind of holding now compared to SPX. We just want to see SPX give a little pop to 93 and above, and I'm gold. I'm good to take it. I'll be a little structure break. NQ just needs to play a little bit of ball. Maybe this next candle.
Next one could potentially take a 670.
670? There we go.
If it's going to take a newer low or not.
There it goes. Bang. I'm in that. I'm riding it. Okay. I'm up to, there we go. Keep going. Let's see SPX hold that 93. That's the long entry. There it goes. Oh, I went in too heavy. Right here. I'm closing out. Hold on. I'm switching accounts. I'm up 6,000 right here. I'm switching accounts. I'm up another 6,000. Hold on. I like the long. I want to continue. I like the long a lot. I want to continue. Don't do me like that.
Partial dot already. I'm still rolling.
Come on. Why you take it so fucking long to load?
I want to see if we take this all the way.
Come on, baby.
Holding 2 minis. Just give me a continuation. No downside pressure here. I'll be happy.
All right. I want to see a little bit of continuation. I'll go for 10, 12 points. Literally, that's it.
My son on a throne. Healthy pullback. I want to see a bounce off this midline. If it breaks under midline, it's no good. But if it does respect it like that, and we get a wick and flip or a doji candle, we could 3-bar through. Very nice. A doji is fine. If it wicks and flips, even better. Now I'm going to stop right at that wick, right under that wick. Probably like 45.
SPX turned weak there.
Just in case it wants to break low. 45 is a stop for me.
About to go short. Out of the trade. About to go short. Oh my god! If SPX breaks 88, I'm going short. Going short.
Still have targets here at fucking 617. That's why I don't want
to like that. I want to see if. Oh yeah, there we go. See if we go short. SPX breaks that 88. See ya. Going short.
See ya. We don't want to be ya.
See ya, Lama. Goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Well, on there's a type of midline with a strong wick.
Big dick wick. Wow.
Interesting. This could be that dumper to 17, newer low.
That wick was so big. There it goes.
Yep, there she goes. Yep, there she goes. Yep,
there she goes.
Yep, there she goes. There's that type of midline. Yep, there she goes. Newer low's about to get hit. Come on, bang. There's 17 on the money.
Let's trim some profit. I'm trimming profit on the short. Trimming profit on the short.
Hold on. It's going here.
Here we go.
You might want to go to 580 here.
Stop loss above this candle at 23. I like this drop. Here we go.
You might want to go to 580 here.
I pushed out. I took profit 1,000 on the app on these accounts.
Hold on. That's what we were talking about. We mentioned this level about 8 minutes ago.
Fuck.
Hold on. 586. Hold on. 589.
Let's go.
We mentioned this about fucking 8 minutes ago. We mentioned this area. It's like we're reading the fucking future. Hold on. Just a little bit more down, and then I'm going to be looking for an up move.
I'm going to switch prop accounts.
Let's see if we take a newer low here. I want to see 580, bro. Like, come on.
We got a big MVG above, which is...
I want to see an up move, but I wanted it to go a little bit lower. I want to see one more
overreaction or not with the MVG above. It's hard and scary to say. The short is still definitely in play.
Sure, it's good. I just want to see a newer low, and then I want to see a pop up.
I might go long here. Fuck. I don't want to. As weird as that says, I don't want to go long here, but that MVG is good. The candles are holding. And Q, if this treesy's up here, the long is so good.
I just really want to see a squeeze a little bit lower to the downside. Just a little bit lower.
Yeah, this looks good. Pop. Just want to see a pop.
A little move, and then we look for that line.
Life, this is what your life like. The short is still good, but I'm just going to hold on.
I'm trying to hear this Wheezy verse, bro. Fuck, bro. We need to take this fucking dumper here.
Where's the Wheezy verse? Well, that's the best one too. Congratulations, Leah.
Craziest.
Good shit, Leah. I'm fucking with you, heavy dog. These wicks, bro. There it goes. There it goes.
4 dojis in a row is nuts.
It is nuts. There's a lot of selling pressure here, but we're going to that MVG, Llama. We're going to that fucking MVG. I'm telling you. Fuck that MVG. There it goes. Get up there. There it is. I'm taking it. Go to that MVG. Oh, right through it. Right through it. I'm trimming one.
My question is, do we sell this to 80 now or
I'm taking profit? I'm taking profit. Fuck that.
That is the real question. Is do we sell to the 580 or is the long already good here?
Yo, no, the long as that MVG hit, I'm out. Look at this. 10 bands on the MVG now. I'm 5 for 5 in props. Look at this. I copy traded it and I went green 6,000 on those. I'm green on every prop.
Sell it to the 80.
Big Daddy Max is putting on a fucking clinic right now, twin.
Birdman, yeah, number one.
In clinic right now. I'm taking profit. I'm logging off. I don't know what prop I have left. Let's get over there. Let's see if I can hit the full roundhouse. That orb bounce, dude. We were at the bottom of orb. Orb held. We just rode it all the way to midline, which was also an MVG. That's the max way. Clean cut. Like that's a simple ass mat. You got to take that. You see the MVG. You see the breakup. Everyone knows strat 5 was in play, strat 3 was in play, strat 1 was in play. Fucking Christ. Oh, love that shit.
It's ripping here. It's fucking exploding.
I'm about to fucking bust. Yeah, I still like the long a lot.
You won't though.
I might take the long on the FNs right now and just wait and just hold it. If this candle closes right here, I'm going long. This is a max way. Oh my God, here it goes. See if it holds. Buy the hold.
It breaks through 654. This is kind of good here, but
bro, the SPX. Hold on, it's got to close that midline. If it closes the midline, it's so good.
I'm a son on the throne.
All right, let's see. Looking for this next candle to pop up and continue through. And if that happens, money in the bank. Shawty, what you think? Money in the bank. Here it goes. And I'm be done for the day across all kizzies. Here comes the pop. Give me a
betting on this one.
Give me 90. Give me 90. Here we go. Give me 90. Bang. Oh, cooking with gas. Stop losses up. Oh, we're cooking with gas. Stop losses up, twin. I'm going to put my stop to 55. I'm holding and we're breaking. Oh my God, Becky, look at Max's big fat fucking ass. Here we go. Oh, yes. Yes, we're up 800 on each account. We're stop losses up to 60. Fuck that. One stop up to 60 and one at 65. One at 60 and one at 65. I'm gonna hold along. I'm gonna fucking.
See what happens here. Sweep of highs here.
No highs. 65. One. I'm tapped out. I'm goaded. All 7 props. All maxed out accounts. All green on the fucking day. Speed run, baby. 19 minutes. 20,000+ in profit. Llama, kick fire on them hoes for me, dog. Llama, kick
time.
Kick fire on them. Kick fire.
I'm a son on the throne. I am the beast. Cells, by the way, and I'm fucking printing up 100 ticks. And I like my spray Easter pink. I like more jewels than your jeweler. Like a box of Pumas. Why did he only give us 30 seconds?
Bro, you want to know what's hype? One of the most hype ones of all time.
Talk to me.
Oh
my God, the sell's good here.
Whoa.
Oh my God, the sell's good here. 580, bro. I told you we should sell to it. Oh my God.
I got out.
I just made another fucking 1,400.
I got out. I took profit, twin.
Oh my God.
I took profit, twin. I logged off.
That short, gangy. I just fucking printed on it, gang. I got more juice than your jeweler. Yeah,
I gotta run through all my accounts real quick and just make sure I hit the flatten button because that was really fast.
Hold on though, because guess what?
All right, this one's good. Yeah, I'm scared. I just ran through so many fucking accounts. I gotta hit the flatten button. I gotta go back through and hit the flatten button and see it. I wonder if I'm getting
bang 580 on the money. Good work, my boys. There, bang. If it breaks down, we have areas at 493
in a row from a P2P pay to player. Blow it up for Sin. His 7th 3K day in a row. Blow it up.
If this bottom side orb holds, sells could be good here. The 490. Honestly,
I'm just slapping exit market control across all my props right now,
fast as you can. You're just like
fucking speed run right now. Fucking speed run.
Oh, bottom side orb rejection. Hold on, this could give newer lows here.
Going to a newer low. NQ. SPX.
This bitch is Going to Pound Town, bro. So was good work. I know Coach is sick. Coach was in all the way at 8:12 this morning. It's still, bro, Max, this shit is still shorting. That breaking retest on the orb was free money. Breaking retest on the orb is up 150 points.
Bro, easy, dog. Easy. Don't be talking about orb like that, twin. Today was free as shit, bro.
Day. I have hella room to keep shorting.
Wow, look at that, dog. Orb is king. Not a 10 a.m. reversal, but it's testing very strong support levels from previous days. Testing very, very strong support levels. That bounce was like a fucking 70-point basketball. Yeah.
50-pointer on the money, yeah.
Damn, everyone just made so much bread on that fucking orb break and fucking Tankerson. Bro, these motherfuckers are eating good today. Everyone's got filet mignon today. We've been going berserk this week. This week especially, I feel like the entries have been very clear and precise. The exits, the stops, I feel like everything's just been... This might be Logan's best week. Holy fuck. You made 40 bands 2 weeks ago.
Look at it. Look, 10K on personal cash account. Thank you for the blessing. My kids, thank you. Look at the next one, 2.5K on the pro. Bro, everybody made bread. Everybody made bread.
Damn.
My DMs are exploding right now. Let's see.
I didn't know you guys were eating like this.
Bro, today was just one of those moves where everyone catches over 100 minimum.
Me right now. Smoking NQ ass. NQ. What do you mean you smoking its ass?
No. It's like there's a comma. Smoking NQ ass.
No. I didn't read it like that. What do you mean by that, Coach?
Smoke your ass.
No. He said he's smoking ass. What do you mean by that?
Yeah. You gotta ask him, bro, honestly. You never know with that guy.
Nah, Coach, what you mean by that? You smoking ass?
You never know.
Oh, look at that green.
I told you we can go to 510 here, and if 510 reject, down move's still good here.
Well, don't say that because I just YOLO'd my whole account in long.
In longs, you should be good for the next like 2 minutes.
Should I just hold for 2 minutes?
Hold for 2 minutes. You'll see like a nice percentage.
I'm just gonna get out.
You just need one green candle here.
Just gonna get out.
Gotta be careful.
I'm just gonna get out. I just
ES is hitting what I wanted NQ to hit.
Look. 1 minute. 1 minute trade. 1 minute trade, Lama. Look. 7,300. 1 minute.
You better hope this next candle's red, because if it's green, that should have been like 18 racks.
$7,300 in 1 minute. I'm green across all accounts. I'm green on all my accounts.
On everything that has a buy and sell button, green. Everything.
Literally, I think that's very goated what I just did. I don't think a lot of people can do what I just did. I just went green across all of my partners' props, max allocation accounts, some cash accounts, and now I just went green. Let me post that photo in 1 minute. Hold on, in 1 minute. I can't even lie. Look at this. Look at the photo here. $7,300 in 1 minute is berserk. I'm enlightened, Lama. I'm the enlightened one.
They said now pull up your wife's 401k.
Hold on. Let me pull up my wife's 401k. Hold on. Let me pull up my wife's.
Tricky one there. Tricky one there.
It's not doing so good. It's not doing so good.
Thanks. Not looking too shabby there.
Hey, look, my wife's 401k.
That's a whole Kia Telluride. That's her car.
I'm so sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. I YOLO'd this motherfucker, dog. I don't know why I did it. I don't know why I YOLO'd my wife's 401k. I'm sorry. I'll get it back.
I promise.
This bitch.
Oh, good exit there, Max. This shit's back dumping.
Bro, I exited.
This is what I wanted NQ to hit. That's why I said 510.
I exited
the equilibrium on this joint. But ES hit it clean. ES hit it too clean. Nasty rejection.
Bro, I hit that shit quick. Hold on. What was the let's look at here. Hold on. Okay, look.
She got room.
Watch this. Look, you can't make this up. It was 70 something seconds. Look. I entered the trade. I bought 20 contracts at $1,700 each. I spent like 30 something thousand. I YOLO'd the account at 10:08. At 10:10, I sold them for one batch for $2,094 and the next batch for $2,069. And I made $7,500 in 70 seconds.